practical examples. The topics we have to discuss are introduction of JavaScript, objects, functions, difference between var, let and constant, and JavaScript modules. First we go to introduction. JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language primarily used to create dynamic and interactive web pages. It is one of the core technologies of the web alongside HTML and CSS. First we have to go to objectives in JavaScript. In JavaScript, objects are collection of related data and functionalities represented as a key value pairs. They are a fundamental data structure used to store and organize data in a structured format. Now we go to types of objects in JavaScript. There are 4 types of objects in JavaScript: user-defined objects, built-in objects, browser objects, document objects. We go to nested objects. Nested objects are objects contained within other objects. They are allow for hierarchical data structures, making it easier to represent complex relationships. And we go to methods of objects. Methods are functions defined within an object. They represent behaviors or actions that the object can perform. Now we go to create, access, manipulate of an object. Create of an object. Using object literals or constructions like brackets and object accessing, dot notation or bracket notation. Manipulating of an object. Add, update or delete the properties. Here is an examples of creating, accessing, manipulating of an object. Here a look. Then we go to functions of a JavaScript. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code for performing tasks. They improve modularity and maintainability. Importance of functions. Functions are core part of JavaScript programming and essential for writing clean and efficient code. Here is a function declaration, expressions and arrow functions. This keyword in function. This is a regular function refers to the object that calls the function. Here is an example code also. See a look. Now we go to difference between var, let, constant. Var. Function scoped hoisted but can lead to bug due to lack of block scoping. Let. Block scoped, suitable for variables that change value. Next, constant. It is a block scoped used for constants, cannot be reassigned. Here is a code for var, let and constant. Then we go to scoping rules. Scoping rules defined as the accessibility of variables within different parts of the code. In JavaScript has 3 types of scopes. They are global scoping, functional scoping and block scoping. Next we go to hoisting behavior. Hoisting is a JavaScript mechanism where variables and functions declared are moved to the top of their containing scope due to execution phase. In hoisting, declaration moves to top. Here is an example. It shows very clear. And we go to scoping code. There are global scoping code, functional scoping code, block scoping code. Next, JavaScript modules. What are modules? Modules organize code into reusable and manageable files. ESC modules import or export are now standard for structuring projects. We go to importance of modules in modern JavaScript. Modules are a crucial feature in modern JavaScript that helps developers structure and organize their code. Prior to ES6, JavaScript did not have a built-in module system, leading to challenges in organizing larger code bases. With the introduction of ES6 modules, JavaScript now has a standardized way to split code into smaller, reusable pieces, making development more efficient and maintainable. Uses of ES6 modules, that is import and export. Modules can be shared between files using the import and export keywords. Exporting means you can export objects, functions, variables or classes from one file so they can be used in other files. What is importing? Importing means once you have exported code from a module, you can import it into other files to use it. Here is an examples code for exporting and importing. See a look. Thanks for watching.